Welcome to QuickCurio, where curiosity meets quick learning. Today, we're diving into a wild thought experiment. What if you dug a hole right through the moon? Imagine this: a tunnel carved through our lunar neighbor, a world with a radius of about 1,737 kilometers and a surface gravity of just 1.6 meters per second squared. According to Newton's shell theorem, inside a uniformly dense sphere, gravity decreases linearly as you approach the center. In theory, if you jumped into a frictionless tunnel through the moon, you'd feel gravity pulling you toward the center, gradually weakening until it cancels out at the very middle. In an ideal, frictionless scenario, you'd end up oscillating back and forth in a graceful, simple, harmonic motion. For a perfectly uniform moon, that full oscillation from one side to the other and back would take roughly 1.8 hours. Imagine swinging through the moon like a pendulum, experiencing weightlessness at the center. Of course, reality isn't so simple. The moon isn't perfectly uniform, and factors like friction and air resistance in the tunnel would eventually dampen your motion. Add in the extreme temperatures and vacuum conditions, and this thought experiment becomes even more mind-blowing. But that's the beauty of physics. It lets us explore extraordinary ideas and appreciate the natural laws that govern our universe. Thanks for joining this fascinating journey into lunar physics. If you enjoyed this exploration, hit subscribe and keep exploring with QuickCurio, where every fact ignites your curiosity.